Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the BEKOYWOY brand, their tripod for laser level or mobile phones or cameras with a 360 degrees ball head, 1/4 inch screw mount, bubble level, and it has a hook on the bottom. We're going to show all these things, and it includes a 5/8-11 UNF to 1/4 20 adapter, which is used on certain laser level devices, and it also includes this nice mobile phone 1/4 20, which will grip your phone, allow you to use the tripod for a mobile phone. Now this adjusts from 18.8 inches up to 59 inches. The height is totally adjustable using these legs. We're going to show that, and it includes that really nice carry bag that you can zip or close. This is the black version. They make a blue version also. The weight capacity of this is about 11 pounds. The company does provide a 1-year warranty on the product, which is really nice. Also comes with a little basic instruction sheet, which does have information about how to use the tripod. They're very interesting, very simple to use. The overall weight of this tripod is just under 2 pounds, so it's not heavy at all. And the folded down length is 19.2 inches. Let's look at the basic operation of this great tripod. That's what it looks like. I have it fully closed right now. Now you notice on the bottom there is this hook, and you could add some weight if you want to add some additional stability to the tripod. This piece right here allows you to turn and lock it in place, and that allows you to raise and lower, and which increases the width of those legs, as you could see. On here there is a very nice handle, and it's in a balanced position, so it makes it really easy to hold on to the tripod. Here you see there is a crank, and that allows you to raise. There is a set of gears on here, and once you get it to the height you want, you can simply lock it with that, turning that clockwise. Now on the top right here, let's drop this down, there is this handle that you go counterclockwise to allow movement, and clockwise locks it in place. Then you have a left to right movement right there. If you want to lock it in place, you rotate this clockwise. Relatively smooth, it's plastic on plastic with some bushing in there. And then you have a lock right here. You can undo, and you can change the angle of the top real easily, or lock it in place by turning that clockwise. Then you have the top piece, and you move it like this, and you slide it back and up, and it comes off. It's on a spring, and what's interesting about this is that it actually requires you to put it in, slide, and go forward just slightly, then lock it in place. And as you saw on there, it has your 1/4 20 and your 1/4 20 and a little spring mount down there, and a plastic knob to rotate clockwise to lock it in place. Now opening the legs is really simple. You could see there are these knobs that you can open up, and then you slide it out and you lock them. You could put them in any position you want, but you can normally fully extend them out, and each one has its own separate mount on there, just like that. On the bottom of the tripod there is some nice rubberized legs, really oversized and nice, and you notice they're on bushings, so they kind of move around, kind of like on a rocket, where they have a lot of adjustment of that. And what that does, that allows you to use this on different angle terrains, which is really nice. Also, on the top of the tripod, there is a bubble level that allow you to level this out on uneven ground by adjusting these individually. Also notice that there is nice foam on the legs, which is a nice feature. It makes it feel good if you have to hold it like that during a shoot. So here I've got the mount that's included, and I'm turning it clockwise, and I'm going to demonstrate it being used on a Canon camera. So here I have the camcorder on the tripod, and now I can do all my recording in movements up and down just like that, and left to right. Very simple to use, and then it could lock in place like that. The included mount for a mobile phone, you notice has 1/4 20 on that side and also on that side. We're going to demonstrate how you can use that to hold your mobile phone. So here I have a Pixel 6 on the included mobile phone mount, and allows you to move it really accurately left to right, and of course up and down just like that, or lock it in place. Very handy when you want to use your mobile phone to video record something much more accurately than holding it by hand. And here's an example of the main application for this tripod. I have a laser level device on here, and I can really accurately move this around, and the laser can shoot out. It's hard to see on the green screen, but there is the laser right there, and I could actually move it precisely. I could change the angle like that, backwards, forward, and use the bubble level on the device, but the tripod holds it all steady so that you could use your product, your laser level product. So after testing, what do I think about the BEKOYWOY brand? Their tripod for laser level or phone or cameras I demonstrated. Nice product, simple to use, a lot of adjustments on there so that you can get it just right for your camera, your mobile phone, or your laser leveling device. I love the rubberized feet on the bottom, the ability to add weight, the lock function here, the soft handles, the actual carrying handle in the back right here, the crank, and the simple operation for using any laser level device on here. Nice product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links in the information and comment section. Please use those links when you order this tripod product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.